Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In the last few months, lot of us have started a new YouTube channel. Many of us started an educational channel, cooking channel, health and fitness channel, etc. And I am sure, like me, lot of people works on Android for editing and uploading their videos. The most important part of a video is the content, and then comes things like a good video thumbnail, a professional channel logo, channel art. And how do you promote your business or channel on social media like Facebook or Instagram, using stories, post and videos? Now of course you are not a professional editor who can do all these stuffs easily, right? Also you really don't have enough time to give it on making thumbnails, logos, or making social media posters. And hiring an editor at the start of a YouTube channel is not a wise idea. In this video we will talk about an application called as Canva, using which you can do all these things very quickly in one place, once you understand the basics. Install the application from Play Store. When you open the app for the first time, you need to sign up with your Gmail. Don't worry, this is only a one-time process. In the homepage you can see lots of templates. Templates for Instagram. Thumbnail templates. Logo templates. YouTube channel art. Posters. And the list goes on. But, in this video we will mainly see the thumbnail part. For more videos on other topics, please let me know in the comments. Click on the See All option, and you will find lot of thumbnail templates to use. Select the one which you want. We can customize the thumbnail here. Click on the image to change it. Canva provides us some free images to use. However, you can always use your own images from gallery too. Let us make a quick educational thumbnail. Search education here, and you will get some free images, along with some premium images. We will use the free images for now. You can adjust the filter here. When you are done with the background image, click on the text to change it. Write down your video title here. Remember, don't add too many texts in the thumbnail. Then you can change the color too. But I prefer using a white color text on educational thumbnails. By clicking on the plus sign you can add more text, images, videos, illustrations, etc. Illustrations can be really great choice here. I will try a book illustration with this thumbnail. At last, you can save the image to your gallery. I hope this video was helpful to all those who have started a new YouTube channel. Comment down if you want video on other topics, like how to make a logo for your channel and how to promote your channel on social media. See you in the next video.